Patchoy eh. Mali yun, hindi Konghe Patchoy. Dahil Year of the Rabbit ngayon, Conejo Patchoy. Conejo Patchoy. Happy Chinese New Year sa mga dabarkas dyan, lahat ng mga Chinoy at Chinay. Welcome to the Year of the Bunny. Alam nyo, speaking of bunnies, yan, importante ngayong taon na to dahil para talon ng talon ang swerte natin. Kaya don't forget ito ngayon, papakilala ko, may dalawa kong bunnies na alalay. Dati sila mga bunnies sa Philippine, ano yun, nawala, nagsara na yung nightclub eh. Nagsara na yung nightclub. Mga bunnies to. Kinuha ko yung dalawa. Ito mga bunnies na Philippine Rabbit. Ito muna tawagin ko, si Bonifacio. Bonifacio, ka dito. Ito, favorite ko. Bonifacio. Ay, nangahalik pa. Salbahe talaga, Bonnie. Ito naman isa, lika. Ito si Bonifacio. Ito naman, Boni lang, Boni. Okay. Boni lang mga. Don't forget, importante, dala nila sa New Year yung ampaw. Pakita mo ampaw. Yan, okay. Okay, kayo paglagay pera sa ampaw, sigurado do-double yan before the year ends. At ang hawak naman ni Bonifacio, yung, ito naman ayan, Rose, yan. Okay, okay, mamaya yan, mamaya pa yan, okay. Mali kayo eh. Okay, kaya hawak na mga ampaw nyo ha. Hawak na ampaw at magdadance na para mas lucky sa money. Watch nyo to, watch. Relos. Watch.
You can't keep a good girl down. Going to the club looking for a good time. Gonna make that, shake that money on the dime. Don't need a sugar daddy, she can work it just fine. Up on the table, she'll be dancing all night. Baby doll just comes alive. I'm nervous, come now. All the girls wanna fall in line. We say, hey, here come the ladies out, give a little show. Hey, here come the boys, gonna show a little more. Get up, get up. Get up, get up. Get up, get up. So get your ass up, show me how you relax. Get up, won't let you rest. Get up, this is not a test. Get up, gonna give me a best. So get your ass up, show me how you relax. Okay, girls, let's show how it's done. It ain't over till we say, and we've only just begun. Get up, won't let you rest. Get up, this is not a test. Get up, gonna give me a best. So get your ass up, show me how you burlesque.
Wow, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, ngayong Year of the Rabbit Conejo Patchoy. Para swerte sa love, dapat lagi kayo pair. Hindi ibig sabihin niyan pair, ibig sabihin dalawa rin asawa nyo, hindi. Kaya dapat meron kayong pair of candles. Candles. Naku, lagi ka nauuna eh. Pair of candles, para masigurado swerte kayo sa love. Dapat may pair din kayo ng flowers. Ayan, ngayon pasok, tama na pasok mo yan. Flowers sa bahay nyo, pares-pares yan. Dapat walang tinik. Dapat walang tinik. Dapat babae nagdala para walang tinik okay. Para walang sakit. Kaya walang tinik, para walang sakit. Yan ang kailangan para lucky sa love. This Year of the Rabbit, Conejo Patchoy. Para tong pair na to. Ito, panoorin nyo, lucky din sa love din to. Watch, watch.
I know you want me. I made it obvious that I want you to. So put it on me. Let's remove the space between me
to me. Oh, 'cause I already know what you wanna do. Here's the situation, been to every nation. Nobody's ever made me feel the way that you do. You know my motivation, given my reputation. Please excuse me, I don't mean to be rude, but tonight I'm loving you. Oh, you know that tonight I'm loving you. Oh, you know that tonight I'm loving you. Here's the situation, been to every nation. Nobody's ever made me feel the way that you do, but tonight I'm loving you. Oh, you know that tonight I'm loving you. Oh, you know that tonight I'm loving you. Oh, you know that tonight I'm loving you.
Ayun, ganda. Okay, pag lucky na sa love, dapat lucky din sa karir para balance. Okay, para laging okay na okay sa trabaho, lucky magsuot ng gold. Gold, ginto, okay. Dahil pag ikaw, lagi suot gold, attract mo swerte. Pasok swerte, dala ng, yan ganyan, gold, oh. Dala ng metal rabbit. Okay, hindi tulad nito, mental to. Ito, mental rabbit. Ito, metal. Mental. Okay. At dapat puro nice words lang, maganda lang salita sasabihin mo, ha? Remember that para golden din ang ugali mo. Kaya pag ikaw galit, whip mo na lang hair mo. Whip your hair. Ganon.
I whip my hair back and forth, 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 just whip my hair back and forth, I whip my hair back and forth, I whip my hair.
Pop the bag on my swagger, pay no attention to them haters because you rip them off. And we ain't doing nothing wrong, so don't tell me nothing. I'm just trying to have fun, so keep the party jumping. So what's up? Yeah, and I'll be doing what to do and turn her back and whip my hair and just shake him off, shake him off, shake him off.
I whip my hair back and forth, 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 where's my, where's my, where's my, where's my hair, where's my, where's my hair, where's my
Oh, ayos ha. Ang ganda oh. Pag sunod nyo lahat, sabi ko, naku, malalaki talaga kayo. At para mas lucky, i-share nyo lahat yung mga lucky tips ko sa lahat ng mga dabarkads nyo, ha? Kaya ano ba kayo hintay? O, party-party na tayo! O, kuha ka na babae. O, party-party na! O, let's go! Para singgil, para singgil.
myself, Tamerkan Skippy, G-Force, Riza Sinon, Bella Padilla,